Good morning, bird brains. Today is the day after 11 years. I'm gonna go ride some dirt bikes again. Let's get into it. So you might be asking yourself, what the is on your head? Well, there's actually a special story behind this hat. This is the hat that I would wear every single time I used to go ride. Every single time. I always wore this hat. As you can see, this thing is beat up. This is not, I didn't cut this. This is just a worn out hat. Now, the creepy part is I just randomly happened to find this morning. I haven't seen this hat in years. I was looking for some athletic supportive undergarments and I found it. And I was like, well, what are the chances I find this on the day that we're gonna go ride? But I'm not a religious man, but that's just cool, man. Team Bradley is on his way over here right now to come pick us up, or pick me up, and then we're gonna be heading out to, oh, actually, that's him right there. And they're gonna be heading out to Hidden Falls Adventure Park. All right, guys, so we made it. You nervous yet?
No.
No? No nerves at all?
As soon as I put my foot over, yeah.
When his bike starts up, that's when he's gonna feel it.
Yeah.
So we got the bikes loaded up here, and now we're gonna go ahead and set up camp for the day. Oh, I don't know how much I recorded that last one, but we went on for like a 2.5 minute ride. I realized that I did not adjust my brake pedal, so I had to come back, adjust it to the lowest point, because the guy before me must have been pretty tiny, because he had the suspension all the way down and that brake pedal all the way up. So I now have the suspension all the way up and the brake pedal all the way down. So we will see.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, I'm still in gear. All right. Oh, shit.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
This bike does not like to start in gear, guys.
Nope.
I was focusing on that rear brake.
Nope. Nope.
Come on. Okay, yeah, that's better. Oh, that's what those are used for. It's to hold Jeep doors. I think I need to adjust this clutch a little bit more.
The downhill?
Yeah. Not gonna lie, I got a little carried away from myself there.
Yeah.
And at that point, it was, I'm just going faster, I'm not going now. Ow. Yeah, I kind of went down that hill a lot faster than I was going.
Yeah, this bike doesn't like to start in gear, so I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if there's like a sensor hooked up to it or...
Something with this brake line at some point, because I don't, maybe it's actually engaging, but I don't feel like it's engaging.
Yeah, it probably is engaging.
So, I thought I was going to get on that.
My hands are already killing me.
My heart's just, this is fun, but I'm just not to the point where I'm comfortable yet, obviously.
Oh damn, those are some good hills.
So I'm like, we're going to have to go back up all that?
No, we're doing a loop.
Oh, okay. Because I do not want to have to climb that.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel my grip.
That was probably from when you busted ass.
Probably. Yeah, how can I bust ass 30 seconds behind my house and I can do that?
And make it through all that?
Yeah.
Because you weren't grabbing front brake. I think we need to go back that way. Oh, hold on. Let me see the map. Okay. Yeah. So Hog Alley is what we're looking for.
Huh?
Hog Alley, which is on that sign right there. Oh, no, come back. Okay.
Nope.
God damn it.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Is this guy really in neutral right now? Are you in gear? Now you're in gear.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Uh-oh. I was gonna say, is he gonna hit that hill? He's leaning too far back, man. Needs to get up on that seat. Shit, he's going for it though. Hell yeah. He threw his arm up. I don't know if the camera caught that. I was in the wrong gear! I don't know what gear I was in. I thought I was in first. Oh, I have to be in neutral to start it. Oh shit, that's an obstacle there. He's used to babying the throttle on his Harleys. You can tell he's not used to having to give it all it's got. There you go. Just work it. Just work it. Let it crawl. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Come on, you do it. You got it. You got it. Ah, you just gotta get his timing right. He's doing everything right. He's just doing it at the wrong time. There you go. There you go. Get off the bike. There you go. Now go up. Now the wheel's not spinning anymore. There it goes. Get it, get it, get it. There you go. Come on, you got it, bud. Needs to push on the bars.
I keep getting stuck in this rut right here. Can't pull it over.
You were doing all the right things. Your timing was a little off on it.
I tried to catch this groove right here, but it just slipped right back down into that ditch.
Yeah. No. Just gonna set it down. Alright, you stay. Alright, let's go. Yeah, get it started. Here, let me do the controls. Get it back, get it back, get it back. There you go. Alright, ready? Ha, damn it. Let's take a breather. Alright, let's see if I can get my fat ass up here now. Well, first, let's see if I can get my bike started.
You're gonna need to dial that in if you want to do one of these races.
Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna have to, if there's a sensor, I'm gonna need to bypass that, or if it's not, then I'm gonna have to look at other options. So I have no idea what gear I'm in.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Damn it! How am I this tired?
How long has it been?
11 years. Yeah, I was a fit young lad back then. So I found out that I can start it in gear. There's just a trick to it, I guess.
Nope. 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 Nope.
What are you doing?
Nope.
Give me a lift. Ready? Oh my God. Oh damn, I can't breathe. Alright, let's see if I can figure this out.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Okay, let's go this way. I guess I'm just gonna have to lead. Thinking going down, take a right. Go ahead. Oh! There you go. Go that way. Motherfucker, dude. This clutch is fucking garbage.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Let's go down that way. Let me see the map. I've got no f***ing idea where we are. North Pole. Got no f***ing clue, dude. I think it said area B exit, but that doesn't really help me. Came down here. Yeah, go run over there, see if there's a sign over there for that trailhead. Alright, you're good. Dude, stand up. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Yes! Oh, his first one. Shit, I wonder if it needs help, but I don't have anywhere to put my bike.
I already slipped and fell down.
You need some help, or you still want to try it?
No, I need some help.
Okay. Oh. Don't give it any gas. Hold on, is that our kickstand fighting us? It is. Okay. Ah! Jesus. So do you at least know why you went off?
Corrected into my throttle.
Well, you never stood up. And you were sitting too far back on the seat, so your front had no grip. Woo! God damn, out of shape, dude. Alright, see if it'll start up. Like I said, don't give it any gas, because you got plenty in there. Alright, try it. If you ever lay it over like that, turn your fuel off while you're doing that. So you good?
We'll find out.
All right. See if I can get a few full sentences out here. So sorry my battery died. There's something wrong with that power brick or the cable or something. When I plug in the cable, it shuts my GoPro off. Like it won't go with that cable plugged in. So I'll have to troubleshoot that when I get home. But you didn't miss much except me almost passing out. I couldn't get my bike started. I laid it all over on its side and it wouldn't start after that. So I'm assuming, I mean, I've never had a fuel injected dirt bike before, so I'm not sure how that works. If you know why that's happening or why my bike is harder to start in gear than it is in neutral, comment down below. I'm thinking there might be something wrong with the clutch on this bike because this bike stalls out extremely easily, and if the clutch, well, that wouldn't affect the gearing though, because first gear, the clutch is in regardless, so I don't know. I gotta figure that out though, because having to get the bike into neutral while on a hill and trying to start it, it's rough. And then I'm just so freaking ridiculously out of shape. This is gonna whip my ass into shape real quick.
Preach.
So now let's hear words from Team Bradley after his first experience on dirt. I did get you falling, yes. That was literally like 5 minutes before my camera died. So at least I got that. But what'd you do wrong?
Well, I didn't have my weight too far shifted forward, and well, I keep.
And what else?
Well, I thought I'd keep letting off the throttle.
You weren't standing up.
That part, yes, I was not standing up. But
hold on, I want my bar. Hold on, I'm about to pass out again. All right, go.
That was my only fall of the day for one.
Yet.
Nah. I said, okay. First one fall. Off of some steep hills though.
I guess so far, yeah.
So far. But, gotta admit, I was excited for this for one. Had no idea truly what to expect after we got off of flat ground. And we apparently did not take the starter or get yourself back into the groove route. We took a route that went like 3 hills straight down.
That was just a 2 diamond.
Well, for me, that might as well be a black diamond on skiing. But I handled it going downhill every single time. It is fun. I did not realize I was this out of shape because we were only out there 2 hours.
Did you notice it was gonna, or did you know it was gonna be this much work?
No, honestly, I did not. I knew it was going to be work, and I somewhat mentally prepared myself for this, but I was not expecting it. But I am having fun, even though it doesn't currently look like it.
That's all that matters. So, yeah, that 2-hour experience made me realize there's not a chance in hell I'm doing the race at the end of this month. Nope. I just would not finish. There's no way. Yeah. And it's called the Wildcat Enduro, so I'm assuming it's gonna be taking place on the Wildcat Trail, which is a 5 diamond.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, so that's not gonna happen, guys. I'm sorry. I wanted to do it. I was excited to do it, but now after getting another taste of it, whew, I'm just too old and fat, so.
Do they do enduros on 1 diamond?
No. All right, back to it. All right, time for round 2, guys. Ooh, I'm gonna be cramping up on this one. I can already feel it. Hope this thing doesn't give me trouble again. Ow!
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh man, my legs hurt. God, I hope I don't stall on this one. Ooh, if I stall out, I'm oof. Instant cramping on that right leg. Oh, oh no. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts really bad. Oh man, this hip flexor. Oh. Access trail. Oh guys, I don't even know if I can do this. No. God, dude, I can't even do this. I hate to be the buzzkill, but my leg is If you want to do this, I'll go back and wait for you.
I'm good either way. I'm exhausted.
Okay. Because like if my bike stalls, I'm like there's no way in hell I'm getting it started.
I'm exhausted as you, so.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. I just like there's no comfortable position for me to be in. Like sitting hurts, standing hurts. Whoa, shit.